I'm looking at myself in the monitor and I think I look just so cool with these on. They have them polarized, they have them regular. This is the crystal green lens, but they have them in brown lenses, gradient lenses. The amazing things about these sunglasses is that they come in this case. Well, how do those sunglasses fit into that little tiny case? Here's how. That's how they fit. I have been wearing Persol sunglasses now for years and years and years, and not just sunglasses. These are a pair of Persol eyeglasses. These are my prescription eyeglasses, and they are also Persols. These are my old sunglasses with the prescription lenses. Well, I'm going to need new prescription lenses. I'm probably going to have prescription lenses stuck into these eventually, but these are my old prescription sunglasses. I chose Persol frames. These are going to be my next prescription Persol sunglasses, and I just love them. I just love Persol frames. I love Persol sunglasses. I think that they are just the coolest looking glasses out there. I think that they have some of the finest quality of manufacture. And let's face it, they do make you look good. You know, there are people out there that say that they're just plastic, that they're all the same, but they're wrong. You can really tell the difference in quality when you buy Persol.